Hello, today I'm in Nissan Pathfinder. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can change radio station, navigate through instrument cluster, answer and end the calls, change radio source, change radio volume. Right here we can activate cruise control, deactivate it and manage it. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.